Physically challenged, so I had to lower the mic. But you know, I come from a family of physicians. My father was a doctor here in Boston for 35 years, and I grew up partly in Ghana and England, and I wanted to be a soccer player. And he said to me, education was a way to alleviate poverty, and it was a struggle. So I came to BU, did what I needed to do to get the first degree, and realized I needed to get a master's. And then he was trying to convince me to get a PhD. And I had met Professor John Durant, who is standing here. He was he's a civil engineer and a professor at Tufts, and he was looking for a place to go do research. And I had said, John, my village in Ghana, there's illegal mining happening, which is affecting the way of life for people, because we're people that depend on the land and the water. And John chose to go to Ghana in my village to start the research for almost 10 years for choosing me. This award is not just for me, it's for my people in Dwenase, to ensure that every child that is in Dwenase, because of the geography of their birth, must not determine their destiny in life. And that I'm going to ensure that I do the best that I can for Dwenase. So thank you very much. God bless you.